2019 Peugeot Partner 1.6 HDI. This is the ATV model with 4 Michelin tyres, previously owned by Welsh Council. As you can see by the bodywork, no big scuffs or dings. Got a few little scuffs around, but genuine van. This has got full backed up service history. Also had a Cambelt done at 75,000 and will come with a major service along with 12 months MOT. As you can see in the back, nice and clean. Also comes with a spare Michelin full tyre, brand new one. This is the last of the 1.6 HDI engines, which are much more reliable than the new shape Cambelt Partners ETC. You can see in the interior, no rips or tears. This also comes with cruise control, air conditioning, and has the option for the all-terrain here. It's got the work lamps and the beacons. This will also come with our standard 3 months warranty. It can be delivered anywhere in the UK. Drop us a message or give us a call, see if we can help you.